Your Lordship, with your permission, may I submit something?
Yes.
Your Lordship, this matter on the last date of hearing, it was ordered that the station commandant may be made available to the court.
Yes, now we are. Yes.
Lordship, we are not. That much information that we can present before the court.
Fine then. In this matter, there are some directions by Ministry of Defence.
Yes, Your Lordship, I'll just explain Your
So
Lordship.
you could not. Why you are not complying
Sir,
with
I
it?
will just explain if I can.
Yes.
Sir, Your Lordship, there was 2011 policy which demarcated certain defense areas, and there was a limit that was imposed on the adjacent lands that within this parameter you cannot construct any land.
Yes.
So according to 2011 policy, the restriction zone was 100 and 500 meters.
Yes.
Then in 2016, a new policy came out in which the distance restriction zone was reduced to 10 meters. However, when this amendment to the 2011 policy was issued by MOD, the stakeholders, that is all the affected army organizations, we were not discussed. So when this policy was issued to us, the hierarchy.
So that is your internal matter.
No, Your Lordship, that's what I'm trying to say. The hierarchy started approaching Ministry of Defence that 10 meters is too less and that does not take care of our security apprehensions. Your Lordships, if I may just show you one letter. Finally, after deliberation, the MOD itself in February gave a letter stating that, I'll just read it out and show it to you as well.
You have filed it?
Not yet, Your Lordship, because last date of hearing, this question was sought and then we got it today. We let it filed.
File it.
But if I may just take 1 minute and read this out. The letter says that MOD NOC guideline dated 21/10/2016 are under review in the Ministry of in consultation with services. This letter is dated 20th February 2020.
Yes.
And accordingly, the environment was directed that since this is under review, the 2016 policy to 2011 policy only will be operational till this review is not done. However, now that review has been done, new policy has been implemented, has been issued. That is dated 23rd of December 2022 by the Ministry of Defence, yes. Wherein this instant petition, the land pertains to this area called Naga, which is on serial number 97 of Annexure A of this new policy, wherein the limit of 50-meter radius has been demarcated yes. Within that area. So, Your Lordship.
So, no construction within 15 meters?
Yes, and the petitioner's land is within 34 meters of fire. Correct. So, we will file these new policies. But
file it.
Yes, Your Lordship.
This quote on is the order sheet then? This quote on 3/2/23 passed an order directing Colonel Administrative Commandant Station Headquarters to appear before this court as to clarify why circulars which has been issued by Ministry of Defence is not taken into consideration, and why circular issued by Ministry of Defence is not being complied with and taken into consideration by said authority. Full stop. Today, authority appeared in person and submitted before this court that new circulars has been issued on 23/12/22, wherein area in which no construction can be done has been reduced to 50 meters. Full stop. It is submitted that said documents could not be placed on record by the counsel appearing for respondents. Authority concerned prays for short time to place all the documents on record. Considering aforesaid circumstances of the case, respondents are granted time to file all relevant documents before this court. Personal presence of Colonel Administrative Commandant Station Headquarters is exempted. List after 4 weeks, leave commencing.